Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to see memories on Snapchat using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app. And then now just go ahead and click on the image button or icon at the left side of your capture button. And then here now you can see all of your memories. So you have a lot of options. So first, your snaps. Second, your camera roll. Third, all of your stories that you've created. And last, for the option for my eyes only. Okay, so now that is how you view your memories on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.